Well, here's a equipment return. This one came in a couple of years ago for a door that wouldn't open, and it's actually made a video of it, and it was one of the most popular videos that I have. So apparently it's a common problem. It's come back and the door is getting stuck again, so I'm going to see if I can figure out why that is. Okay, she's plugged in and turned on, and you hit the open button and sure enough it does not open. Makes a little bit of noise, but the door stays shut. Okay, with the cover off, let's see. Yeah, the little light blinks when I say open and close the door. It does some seeking here of the mechanism, but it is not opening the tray. So let's pull that tray off and figure out what's going on. Okay, there's the little motor that opens the drawer and closes it. If you run the tray in and out, you can just see how it looks like that belt is kind of flopping, and maybe has some flat sides on it. I think it's losing its tension. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and try to replace that belt. See if this one keeps the door opening and closing properly. Okay, that belt is looking a little bit better. It's a little thinner than the original, but a little smaller, so hopefully it'll get some better torque. Let's give that a try. Alright, for a pull-up test here, let's go ahead and open this up. Pop in a ET. I can either use the button or the front button this time. Let's see. That looks like it's displaying AT. So looks like just the belt this time is slipping a little bit, probably getting caught in a little spot here, where the flat spot, and not letting the door open. So looks like this one's good to go again. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video.